a new day. A brand new day for adventure of learning. Are you ready? Let's learn Mathematics 6, Quarter 1, Module 4, Solving Routine and Non-Routine Problems involving addition or subtraction of fraction and mixed fraction using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. After going through this module, you are expected to solve routine and non-routine word problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of fractions and mixed fraction using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Are you ready to solve word problems? But before we proceed to our adventure, let us unlock the meaning of some important terms. When we say word problem, often used to refer to any mathematical exercise where significant background information on the problem is presented as text rather than in mathematical notation. Routine problem involve using at least one of the four arithmetic operation and or ratio to solve problems that are practical in nature. Non-routine problem is any complex problem that requires some degree of creativity or originality to solve. Non-routine problems typically do not have an immediately apparent strategies for solving them. Oftentimes, these problems can be solved in multiple ways. Fraction: a numerical representation indicating the quotient of two numbers. Example, 7/8, 2 and 2/10. Before we proceed to our discussion, let us answer the pretest. Direction: read and solve the following word problems. You can pause the video and answer the pretest for 1 minute. Okay, for question number 1. If it needs 5 meters of stick to make a picture frame, then how many meters will be needed to make 8 pictures frame? For question number 2. Rene had a box of cupcakes of which he gave Ronnie 1/2 of it. Ronnie gave 3/4 of his share to his friend LB. What fraction part of the original box of cupcake did LB get? For question number 3, Nena's math classroom is 6 4/5 meters long and 1 3/8 meters wide. What is the area of the classroom? For question number 4, a jeep travels at a speed of 2 2/3 kilometers per hour. How far can it travel in 4 1/2 hours? For question number 5, Maria, a sales girl, sold 3 1/2 boxes of candies in a day. What is the total weight of the candies she sold if a box weighed 2 1/5 kilograms? Okay, you may start answering your modules. Okay, let us answer. Very good. The answer is 40 meters. What about number 2? Okay, the answer for number 2 is 3/8 fractional part. For number 3, the answer is 9 and 7/20 meters. For question number 4, the answer is 12 kilometers. For number 5, what will be your answer? Yes, the answer is 7 and 7/10 kilograms. Okay, who got the correct answer? Okay, we are going to discuss what a routine and a non-routine problem is. We will solve them following the steps in solving word problems. Let me explain to you that there are some word problems that require a search for a strategy that discover a solution. These are what we call non-routine word problems. What is the difference between routine and non-routine word problems? When we say routine problem, use at least one arithmetic operation only, and we can easily determine the correct answer. It has a simple solution to get its complete answer. Non-routine problem makes use of one or more arithmetic operations. It has also complex way in getting the complete answer. Let's try to answer problem number 1. Okay, problem number 1. On a rice field, there are trees and a big stone located in every 1.5 kilometers. If there are 14 big stones, how long is the rice field? We have 3 questions. For question number 1, what is found in every 1.5 kilometers of the land field? For question number 2, how many big stones were on the land field? For question number 3, give the steps in solving word problem and solve the problem. Okay, you can pause the video and answer that for 2 minutes. Okay, let us check your answer. For problem number 1, what is found in every 1.5 kilometers of the rice field? What will be your answer? Very good! There were trees and 14 big stones located in every 1.5 kilometers. For question number 2, how many big stones were on the land field? Correct! There were 14 big stones in that field. For question number 3, give the steps in problem solving and solve the problem. What will be your answer? Correct! The answers are what is asked, what are given, what is the operation to be used, what is the number sentence, what is the solution to find the correct answer, and what is the complete answer. Let us answer the steps in problem solving. For question number 1, what is asked? What is your answer? Correct! The answer is the total length of the land field. For question number 2, what are given? What's your answer? Excellent! Okay, the answer is 1.5 kilometers located on the land field and 14 big stones. For question number 3, what is the operation in the problem? What is your answer? The answer is multiplication. Okay, what is the number sentence? What will be your answer? That's correct. The answer is 1 and 1/2 times 14 equals n. Show the solution in finding the complete answer. 1 and 1/2 kilometers multiplied by 14 big stone. We are going to convert this mixed number into improper fraction by multiplying the denominator to the whole number and then add the numerator. 2 times 1 equals 2 plus 1 equals 3. So the answer is 3 halves multiplied by 14. Okay, we are going to factor the 14. So the factor of 14 is 7 times 2. Now let's proceed to cancellation. Okay, 2 divide 2 equals 1. 2 divide 2 equals 1. So the remaining numbers are 3 and 7. We are going to multiply this one. 3 times 7 equals 21. And 1 times 1 equals 1. So the answer is 21 kilometers. Okay, what is the complete answer? What is your answer? Very good. The answer is the total length of the land field is 21 kilometers. What can you say about the problem? Very good. We can say that the problem is a routine problem because it is used only one arithmetic operation. The next word problem requires you to use more analytical skills to find the correct answer. Let's move on problem number 2. Aling Linda sells food at the school canteen. Her daily marketing budget is 3,500 pesos. She allots 4/7 for the purchase of meat, 2/7 for fish, and the rest for vegetables and other ingredients. How much money is allotted for buying fish, vegetables, and other ingredients? Okay, what is asked? What are given? What is the operation to be used? What is the number sentence? Show the solution in finding the complete answer. And what is the complete answer? You can pause the video and answer that for 1 minute. Okay, let's check your answer for problem number 2. Okay, what is asked? The answer is the amount of money allotted for buying fish, vegetables, and other ingredients. Number 2, what are given? The answer is 3,500 for marketing budget, 4/7 for the purchase of meat, and 2/7 for fish. What is the operation to be used? Okay, the answers are multiplication and addition. What is the number sentence? Okay, 3,500 multiplied by 2/7 plus 3,500 multiplied by 1/7, which is the vegetables and other ingredients equals n. So, for number 5, show the solution in finding the complete answer. Okay, show the solution in finding the complete answer. Step number 1, 3,500 pesos multiplied by 2/7, okay, equals 7,000. Divide 7 equals 1,000. For step number 2, 3,500 multiplied by 1/7, the vegetables and other ingredients equals 3,500 divide 7 equals 500. Okay, step number 3, 1,000 pesos for fish plus 500 for vegetables and other ingredients equals 1,500 pesos. Okay, what is the complete answer? Okay, the complete answer is the amount allotted for fish, vegetables, and other ingredients is 1,500. Okay, who got the perfect score? Did you find it easy? Always remember, in solving non-routine problems, there are multiple ways and different methods or techniques in getting its complete answer. Even though we have different techniques and methods in finding its correct answer, we come up with the same answer. Do the following tasks to measure your skills in solving routine and non-routine problems involving multiplication without or with addition or subtraction of fraction and mixed fraction using appropriate problem-solving strategies and tools. Here are other activities for you. Let us proceed to practice task number 1. Read and solve the following word problems. Danica needs 3 cups of flour to make a full-size cake. If she wanted to make a cake that is 3 3/5 of the size, how many cups of flour would she need? Okay, answer the steps in problem solving. I will give you 1 minute to answer for that problem, or you can pause the video. Okay, are you done? Let us check your answer for practice task number 1. Okay, for question number 1, what is asked? Okay, the answer is the total cups of flour Danica needs. For what are given? 3 cups of flour and 3 3/5 the size of the cake to be made. Another, what is the operation to be used? The answer is multiplication. What is the number sentence? The answer is 3 times 3 3/5 equals n. Show the solution in finding the complete answer. So 3 multiplied by 3 3/5, we are going to convert this into improper fraction. 5 times 3 equals 15 plus 3 equals 18. Okay, so 3 multiplied by 18/5. So we are going to multiply the numerator 3 times 18 and the denominator 1 times 5, so equals 54/5. We are going to simplify our answer by dividing it. Okay, our answer is 10 is the quotient, 4 is from the remainder, and 5 is the divisor. So our answer is 10 4/5. What is the complete answer? Okay, the answer is the total cups of flour Danica needs is 10 4/5 cups. What about practice task 2? Okay, here is the question. Lori baked 6 2/5 dozens of muffins in a day. How many dozens of muffins will she bake for 3 1/2 days? Okay, you can answer the 6 steps in problem solving. You can pause the video and answer for 1 minute. Okay, let us check your answer for practice task number 2. Okay, what is asked? The answer is the total dozens of muffins Lori will bake for 3½ days. For what are given, the answer is 6 2/5 dozens of muffins in a day and 3½ days. For number 3, what is the operation to be used? Okay, the answer is multiplication. For what is the number sentence? Okay, 6 2/5 times 3½ equals n. Okay, show the solution in finding the complete answer. Okay, 6 2/5 multiplied by 3½ days. Okay, we are going to convert this into improper fraction. 5 times 6 equals 30 plus 2 equals 32/5. Okay, the second one, 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7/2. Okay, we are going to have a cancellation. 32 divide 2 equals 16. 2 divide 2 equals 1. Okay, we are going to multiply the numerator 16 times 7, and then for the denominator 5 times 1. Okay, equals 112/5. Okay, we are going to simplify this answer by dividing it. Our answer is 22 2/5 dozens. That is for practice task number 2. For number 6, what is the complete answer? What will be your answer? Okay, great. The answer is the total dozens of muffins Lori will bake for 3½ days is 22 2/5. We are now in our practice task 3. I believe that you can do this on your own. Good luck! Aling Nena bought 1¼ kilograms of beef at 180 pesos per kilo and 2½ kilograms of pork at 150 pesos per kilo. She gave the seller a 1,000 pesos bill. How much change did she receive? Okay, you can follow the steps in problem solving. You can pause the video and answer for 1 minute. Okay, let's check your answer. What is asked? Aling Nena's change. What are given? 1½ kilograms of beef at 180 pesos per kilogram and 2½ kilograms of pork at 150 pesos per kilogram, and then 1,000 pesos bill, Aling Nena's money. For what is the operation? The answers are multiplication, addition, and subtraction. For what number sentence can we use to solve the problem? 1,000 pesos minus 1¼ multiplied by 180 pesos plus 2½ multiplied by 150 pesos equals n. Okay, you can pause the video and check your solution. Okay, the correct answer is Alenena's change is 400 pesos. Are you ready to answer the post-test? Direction, read and solve the following problem. In one school day's activity, 3/4 of the 24 girls wore miniskirt for their presentation. How many girls wore miniskirt? You can pause the video. Okay, for number 2, an automobile travel at the speed of 2 and 5/10 kilometers per hour. How far can it travel in 3 and 1/5 hours? For number 3, Jian spent 1/2 of an hour doing her homework. She spent 1/3 of it doing mathematics. How much time did she spend doing her mathematics homework? Okay, for question number 4, a vacant lot near your residence is for sale. The lot is in a rectangular form, having a length of 23 and 1/3 units and width of 33 and 1/3 units. The piece of a lot per square unit is 765 pesos. What is the total value of the lot? Okay, for question number 5, a jeep travels at a speed of 2 and 2/3 kilometers per hour. How far can it travel in 4 and 1/2 hours? Okay, you can pause the video and answer that for 2 minutes. Okay, let us check your answer for post-test if you are done. For question number 1, the answer is there were 18 girls who wore miniskirt. For number 2, 8 kilometers. For number 3, Jian spent 1/6 of an hour doing her mathematics homework. For number 4, 200,105 is the total value of the lot. Number 5, in 12 kilometers, the jeep can travel in 4 and 1/2 hours. Okay, who got the perfect score? Here is your assignment. Direction, read and solve the following word problems. For question number 1, mother bought 6 3/4 kilograms of hot dog and 5 1/3 dozens bread rolls. Hot dogs cost 160 pesos per kilogram and a dozen of bread rolls cost 25 pesos. How much did she spend in all? For number 2, a salad recipe uses 3 3/7 cups of milk. How much milk is needed if 2 2/3 times of the recipe will be prepared? Great job, kids! I hope you got a perfect score. So by this time, you can now solve the routine and non-routine problems following the steps in solving word problem. Learning must not end. It is a continuous process even in time of pandemic.